Hello dear friends, come close tonight, a magical tale will glow so bright. The stars all twinkle, the breeze goes whoosh, Bluey is skipping through leaves that shush. She hops along with her tail held high, then something round rolls quickly by. It bumps, it bounces, a funny sight, Mr. Potato Head shines in the light. His hat tips sideways, his eyes go wide, Bluey just giggles and runs to his side. Hello, she barks with a joyful cheer, Mr. Potato Head laughs, I'm here. They play with parts that twist and spin, a silly nose comes popping in. Bluey claps paws, her giggles grow, ears switch places, they tumble slow. They dance, they twirl, their laughter loud, the clouds drift soft like a gentle shroud. Come join our play, come laugh, come stay, subscribe for more fun every day. The moon peeks out with silver grace, smiles shine warm on each kind face. Bluey tries hats both big and small, Potato Head juggles and catches them all. They make up songs with jing and rhyme, their silly voices keep perfect time. The night feels bright, the stars all glow, the friendship blooms, it starts to grow. Then calm drifts in, the laughter slows, the cool breeze hums, the soft grass shows. Bluey lies down with tail curled tight, Potato Head whispers, good night. The crickets sing, the fireflies glide, peace settles gently by their side. Dreams float close, like clouds they stay, carrying joy till the break of day. So hush, dear friends, the night feels near, we'll meet again with more good cheer. New tales will come, adventures true, and Bluey loves you too.